What up, ladies and gentlemen? It's Capital Mike on our Capital Analysis Volume 3. So sit back and just listen to what we have to analyze on this chart. Let's go into the market and actually see what is happening there. Now, we can see US oil in front of us. From the prediction we made last 3 weeks, last 3 weeks. On this chart, we predicted that this market is in a big wedge. Last 2 weeks, the market broke the wedge. If you can actually see, the market broke the wedge here, came down, which signifies that we should start selling. But for some strange reason, the market is moving up. But we are expecting the market to hit its overall, our first TP here. We need to hit here first because this wedge has been broken to the downside. So we just have to sit on our hands and do nothing. Allow the market do whatever thing it needs to do and present a wonderful opportunity for you to make some money for yourself. Now, we don't really have much to say on oil. Oil has just been in this wedge. I think let me go down to a lower time frame. Let's go to daily. What is happening on daily? Daily is bullish. Let's go to 4-hour time frame. 4-hour time frame is pushing up. It's pushing up. This market is actually pushing up. So we're going to wait. Once the market starts dropping to the downside, our next level target for oil is 60 what? 63.50. 63.50 per barrel is our next level target for US oil. Now, let's go to other pair that I find interesting, because the truth is that some other pair has been making some money for me. On a regular day, I don't even trade the pair. You get, I don't even trade the pair on a regular day, but for some strange reason this time around, I'm trading them, which is Euro GBP. Euro GBP has been amazing. I did my top-down analysis on Euro GBP. That was from, let's go to the weekly time frame, which is here. Euro GBP is just in a heavy fat range, but we just have to use our zones to actually predict the next level the market is heading to. Now, I saw the market making lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, equal highs, still heading low. For a fact, when the market broke this support level here, let me zoom in. When the market broke this support level, I knew for a fact that the next level target that the market is heading to is down here. From here, heading down here. I knew for a fact. You get, so it was an opportunity for me just to see, get a refined entry and jump into the trade. Now let's go to the daily time frame. The daily time frame was looking good. Once the market got to this point, it started pushing up. But I did nothing. I just had to leave the market. Just learn to leave the market, do whatever thing it needs to do, and present the opportunity for you to go and make some money for yourself. Now, I saw the market pushing down here. It was a good selling opportunity. I did not enter that trade. I knew that the next level target is going to be down here. I knew. But from here, I didn't enter the trade. I waited not until the market got here, displayed my perfect way, my perfect setup that I like to trade, which is a counter trend line break. Let's go to a 4-hour time frame. Immediately I saw this perfect counter trend line break on the 4 hours on Euro GBP. A break, although we saw a fake out, because the truth is that the market makers will play with your mind. as sort of Thursday, I saw this massive push. I saw this massive push to the upside. For some traders, they will just close out their trade. But I just for some strange reason was I decided to hold. Now the market dropped down here and started moving down, hit our first TP, closing some profit, and the market is still dropping to the downside. Now I'm still holding this trade because I know it's going to drop further to the downside. So I'm not bothered. Instead of going to enter into so many trades, I rather just get one set up and milk the hell out of it. Now the market is very bearish to the downside. We've seen this massive bearish candle here form on the weekly, and I know for a fact that the next level target is going to be down here. Please, down here to this zone. Okay, so once we see a pullback, and still take good advantage of it to the downside. Another chart I want to analyze is Tesla. Lemons boys. Tesla, what is happening on Tesla, people? Tesla since 2020 started to form this big wedge. This fat big wedge. Tesla since 2020 has been inside this big wedge. Like the wedge is pointed. Now, I discovered this wedge that should be around April, if I'm not wrong. So I said to myself, let's go to the weekly time frame. Once we break to either direction on Tesla, we are heading up or down. Now, luckily for us, English problem. Luckily for us, we saw this massive break to the upside. Tesla, not just massive break, it is forming something that looks like a head and shoulder pattern. On that massive break, you can see it. This is touches 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It broke, boom. The more touches on the trend line, it validates the push to the direction you get. This is not just 3 touch, 2 touch. This is 5 touches on the trend line. It's actually indicating that this market will blow up once we hit above that wedge. Now, I was even expecting this market to drop because it has been in a bearish move for a very, very long time. I was expecting that the market is going to break to the downside. But the market broke to the upside. I saw this bullish candle around June. I said it's time, Elon Musk to go up. So the next level target for Tesla, without wasting your time, is going to be 415.50 per share. 415.50 per share is going to be the next level target that Tesla is going to hit. It is forming a head and shoulder pattern. This is the neckline, this is the shoulder, this is the head, and this looks like a shoulder. And from what I'm seeing, we are going to go up. We are going to push up, 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 and hit our 415.50. Now, these are the two pairs that I'm looking at. So if you have Tesla share, this is the right time to hold. Hold Tesla right now because you're going to make some money for yourself. Beautiful people. So that is it for this, trader capital analysis volume trade. Other pairs that I love to trade has not been trending. They have been ranging. So instead of going there to give them back whatever little profit that I must have made, I rather stay calm. I sit on my hands, stay cash. Stay cash and wait for when it's going to rain or when it's going to, it's going to push up. So wonderful capital power traders. You're welcome on board. I'm going to still continue dropping my, week to week capital analysis. So stay tuned. Bye bye.